This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide the taskbar in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. As you can see at the bottom down there, my taskbar is showing. It's very easy to hide your taskbar. First thing you want to do is go to Settings. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over the Start icon in the taskbar. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go up to Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens here, the pane off to the left-hand side here, you want to click on Personalization. And in the center pane, you want to go down toward the bottom where it says Taskbar, and you want to click on Taskbar. Then under Taskbar, toward the very bottom, you'll see it says Taskbar Behaviors. You want to click on that. Then you'll scroll down, and to hide your taskbar, you want to check next to Automatically Hide the Taskbar. You want to check this box to hide it. I'm going to check it. And as you can see down at the bottom, my taskbar has disappeared. Now you could still access your taskbar by simply moving your mouse cursor all the way down to the bottom, basically off of your screen. And there is the taskbar. You could still utilize it. And when you move your mouse cursor away from the taskbar, it disappears again. I'm going to move it down toward the very bottom of the screen. It reappears. And to go back to the normal way, you want to uncheck Automatically Hide the Taskbar. I'm going to uncheck it. And now as you can see, the taskbar has reappeared. That is how to hide your taskbar in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.